Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is the Collecting Attorney. It is opening day, and so I went to Target today and picked up a blaster box of opening day just for a quick, fun rip. Target was having 15% off all Tops products today, so I got those. I picked up some rack packs of Gypsy Queen and got a coupon for a free pack, so I got that as well. So I will get this box open and we'll get started. I mean, obviously you're not expecting it much from opening day, but I thought, given that it is opening day, I thought it would be a bit of a fun rip to rip a box of opening day. So that's what I picked up. Let's see what we get. Clayton Kershaw, Elvis Andrus, Chris Sale, Team Traditions, Minnie and Paul sign, nice, for the Twins PC. Melky Cabrera, Miguel Sano, and Justin Turner. All right, so nothing much there, but again, like I said, not expecting anything crazy. For reasons that I don't understand, these boxes say $19.99 on them. Despite the fact that they are not $19.99. They're only $9.99 at Target, but for some reason they say that they're more than that, so go figure. And Clayton Kershaw. wait, this could be the exact same pack. Literally the same pack. Clayton Kershaw, Elvis Andrus, Chris Sale. So let's see who's next. So Clayton Kershaw, Elvis Andrus, Chris Sale. Different team traditions. The Freeze for the Braves. Nomar Mazara, Corey Seager, and Edwin Encarnacion. Very odd to get the exact same first three cards out of the two packs, but nonetheless. Move that back a little bit. All right, keep going here. Nick Williams, rookie card. Phillies got a win today, or close to getting a win today. Johan Moncada. Say Billy Hamilton, blue parallel. That's nice. Fred Bird from the St. Louis Cardinals. Noah Syndergaard had a good outing today. Yu Darvish and Chris Davis. I believe he hit a homer today. It was tied at 5 last I saw between the A's and the Angels. I suppose I should have said spoiler alert at the start of this video. Brian Anderson, Antonio Senzatella, Freddie Freeman. Before opening day, Chris Sale, Aroldis Chapman, Hunter Renfroe, and Matt Carpenter. Danny Duffy, Tim Anderson, Aaron Judge, nice, before opening day Rookie Cup. The Cardinals Clydesdale Horses, Team Traditions. Adam Wainwright, Alex Colome, and Joey Gallo. Justin Bour, Will Myers, Kyle Seager, the Braves team card. Very nice. Shohei Ohtani rookie card. Joe Mauer. And Alcides Escobar. So nice. I did pull an Ohtani rookie from Gypsy Queen as well, but nice to get another one from, or get one from this set as well. Jose Altuve, Robinson Cano, Whit Merrifield, Bernie Brewer, Francisco Lindor, Joey Votto, and Jose Abreu. All right, 5 packs left. Ramel Tapia, Albert Pujols, Billy Hamilton, the YMCA dance for the Yankees, Team Traditions, Jack Flaherty, the Cardinals, John Lester, and Austin Hayes, rookie card. 4 packs left. Harrison Bader, rookie card. Javi Baez. J.P. Crawford. Christian Vasquez, before opening day. Ozzie Albies, rookie card. Steven Strasburg. And Rafael Devers, rookie card. Oops, sorry, I pulled that off the screen. So getting some nice rookies in these packs. Let's see, we have the top 3 at this point. Maybe Acuna. We need Acuna still, but J.D. Martinez, Trey Turner, Chris Bryant, Mr. Red, Adrian Beltre, Giancarlo Stanton. I had a couple of big bombs today, and Jose Ramirez. 2 packs left. Renee Dor, George Springer, David Price, Rally Monkey for the A's, the Angels, Team Traditions, Masahiro Tanaka, Jose Barrios, and Jarrell Cotton. All right, last pack. Nelson Cruz, Matt Wieters, Rhys Hoskins rookie card. Nice, a blue parallel. Harrison Bader rookie card. A Yankees team card. Sonny Gray and Felix Hernandez. So not bad. Got some nice rookies. Picked up a couple of parallels, and just a nice fun rip for opening day. Hope everyone enjoyed this video, and if you did, come on back sometime soon and watch another one. Thanks everyone. Have a good night. Bye.